Hey kids, we're going to be starting our self-portrait, and to start it, I'm going to help you to get a line that you're going to cut out from the top of your picture down the middle of your face, around your eraser, and back up on top of your hand. This is a little scary. That's why I'm going to help you with it and make sure you got it and you understand what you're supposed to cut. That's step one. So I'm going to be taking the half of your picture that you cut away for storing, and you're going to take your white paper and just write your last name, first name, last name on the back of your paper. Step two is going to be to get some Elmer's glue, and I know Elmer's glue can get a little wavy. That's why we are going to rub it around our picture and get it on there nice and thin, and then stick it on there so that it stays stuck real good. We're not using glue stick because it tends to come back up again. It doesn't really stick for very long. So this is the end of day one for this piece. I just want to make sure that I have it rubbed on really good, especially around the edges. And then I'm going to let this dry. And then tomorrow I'm going to get my other part back and I'm going to transfer it onto the paper so I can draw it. So now my glue is pretty dry, and so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this piece that I cut out and I'm going to take my pencil and I'm going to color the back of it with my pencil, just putting a bunch of graphite on the back. Now artists have skill, right? But artists are also kind of tricky. And we got some techniques on doing certain things, and we don't like to tell a lot of people how we do things. It's kind of like a magician. All right, get this colored in. So this is one of the techniques, one of the tricks that artists use is transfer. And this is one transfer technique. There's several transfer techniques. So now what I'm going to do is put this back where it was, and I'm going to take my pencil here So I got this going in crazy fast forward motion, and I am tracing over all the lines, including the shadow areas and the background. The pressure of my pencil is going to create a mark on my paper so that I can see what I have done. Okay, now comes the scary part, which really isn't that scary. I'm going to do another trick that artists do, and that is to do the whole drawing upside down. And by turning it upside down like you see, I'm going to be releasing my mind of the image of me, and I'm going to just start looking at the photo, seeing where my really dark spots are and putting those in. So now I'm no longer thinking of this as me, but thinking of it as just light, medium, and dark values in areas. Releasing my mind of the image, helping my eye to just see what's light, medium, and dark.